Hi, my name is Fazlur Rahman, and we will discuss how can we listen the values which are present in the data layer and how can we use it to make a tag and trigger and send this data to the GF or other ad platforms. So we are in the Google Tag Manager. So let me show you preview. Basically, we will write. We will. So basically, we would write a data layer push to send the data into the data layer. From the data layer, we select the value, then make a trigger, and then then we will make a tags from these trigger and send this data to the GF or other platform like. So this our website has been opened. No weekends. So you can see in the data layer preview it would be connected. So let me show you, it has been connected. No, I have to reload the page again because I need event must be should be appear in the summary. So because so you can see that our DOM ready now window loaded, it means our page completely has been loaded. Okay, now we have to go to the inspect and go to the console. So let you show you. So we are in the console section. We are in the element. So you have to go to the console and scroll down. So we have to write a data layer push and layer data layer push and write an event the event would be what would be the event like? I would say the event would be add to cart. Okay, so just I have to close this. So now I want to send this data to the data layer. So now you can see it is true. It means that our event has been gone to the data layer. So you will see that here. So this is the add to cart event has been appeared. But how can we use this event? So we can make a trigger for this. For example, if this event would be appeared there, this event would be appeared, so our trigger would listen this event and trigger this tag, and our tag would be fired. So how can we create? Then for this we have to create a custom trigger. So you have to go to the Google Tag Manager and go to the trigger. So you have to go click on the new. So click on the trigger configuration, you will see that there is a custom event option. So because it is the custom event, because we are pulling from the data layer, so you have to write a name, event name which is appearing. So our event name is add to cart. Okay, so add to cart is our event name. So you have to give this name, add to cart trigger. Okay, now our trigger has been made. So you can make a tag for this trigger, like we can make a custom tag. So for this you have to go and so this is so like we would write the custom. For example, I have script because I am writing JavaScript. For this you have to write. So I have to close this to sorry shift. So let if I say that console console log, and what would be the tag is fired. So close this script Okay, now our tag has been, we written our tag. So let me choose the trigger for this tag. So our trigger would be add to cart, and so name would be HTML tag. So you can, so my purpose is that when this event has been appeared, so our tag would be fired. So let me show you. For example, we push this event again. So let me copy this. So let me pay. Sorry, let me. I have to copy this data layer push again and paste this. So you will see that our tag would be fired. So you can see that our event has been appeared. So add to cart event has been appeared. So we have to just now push again the data. So our data layer has been not working. So you can see that when we show you that our tag has been fired when the add to cart event has been appeared. So through this method you can create a trigger which event has been appeared from the data layer, and then you can make a tag and send this data to the other platform. This is from me. Thank you so much.